si Cyrus kanina. Pagkabigawan mo Cyrus, pagka-report mo. Pagkakasakot, ulang sa kusali eh. Uy, Pastor! Is listening ang church running music. Aroy, change step lang, change step. Yan, cross, cross. Go, and 2, ole. Wait up, balik kami raw, turn, and then you shout, ole. Maligayang Pasko at maligayang bagong taon sa inyong lahat. Everybody turn. Ready? 5, 6, all, after turn, ole. Maligayang Pasko at maligayang bagong taon sa inyong lahat. Ready? 5, 6, 7, turn. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Oh. Nakasakan na. Uy, meron tayo magkakaroon ng Alvin. Again, balik. Ole, ready? 5, 6, 7, go.
Ole! Maligayang Pasko at maligayang bagong taon.
Again, you shout, how you shout. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go.
Ole! Maligayang Pasko at maligayang bagong taon sa inyong lahat.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. And Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the performers coming from Camarines Polytechnic Colleges. From the CSPC, dance through. And then bow. Then go. I see, banga, go. And we also have the CSPC Rondalio, headed by Miss Brian Joy Abunita. Yan, palakpak. Yan. Ladies and gentlemen. And then, compress ulit. Compress, go. Give us a message. We on the father. Si Padi. Thank you so much and say, saan? Thank you so much and see you next year. Oh, shake and then bow. Tapos exit natin, doon lang exit, go move. Yan. Ganun din yung backward natin doon. Okay? Sige, company call muna dito for bato. Di pa, tapos kapay. Brian, okay na kita dito? Next practice nyo. Mabaog ma.